Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis the past couple of days, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And really, they all still perfectly pertain to the chart, and I'll explain what I mean by that. Pretty hectic day. I don't know if news came out or something, but again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that out or bring that up again because you can see right here in the middle of the day, the price action got crazy. And that was by far, during this 30-minute session, the biggest volume that the charts had in a very long time. And to think that at one point in time, the price was all the way down there, but by the time the closing bell came around, the price had bounced all the way up there. Quite the dramatic day, and maybe that's an understatement, but very dramatic. But when all the dust has settled, you still got to give the advantage to the bulls for the simple reason, from a big picture perspective, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And when you are trying to build long-term uptrends, that's what it's all about, building higher bases, because higher bases over time, that's how you build, like I said, the stair steps in the upwards direction. And on the note of stair steps, let's just kind of illustrate that real quick. So, the most recent kind of quote-unquote overall low right there. And then you had this pretty much nasty move here, which was another low before the price bounced back up. So let's actually just say that going forward, I'm not saying this will happen, but let's just say the price actually does come all the way down here again, bounces around a few more times before heading back up. From the big picture of things, what do you have? Well, you have a set of lows right here. You have this base of lows down there. Like I said, if you picture those as stair steps, well, the stair steps are still going in the upwards direction. Now, I fully realize that if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 7.2 seconds, that you couldn't care less about these overall stair steps. But I'm doing the analysis from the grand scheme of things. So sure, today was nasty. Sure, today the price did pull back a little bit, but it's still above all the levels of support that I've been talking about. Right here at $1.85, still above it, and still up above that $2 mark, which I talked about yesterday. As far as resistances are concerned, yeah, 218 right around here was broken temporarily, but the price could not maintain above it. Therefore, 218 still that key area of resistance. So crazy day, dramatic day, but again, when all the dust has settled, assuming you care about big picture of things, the bulls are still in full control. So we'll see if they can continue to build those higher bases or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.